how to move League of Legends to another disk. Hello guys, welcome to our channel and we are going to teach you how you can move your League of Legends files from one disk to another disk. First, go to your game file, then click and hold your game file and drag them toward the section you want to copy. You can copy it to C drive, your D drive, or another file wherever you want. Also, you can right click on it and you will find copy option. You can copy this file, the whole file from this disk to another disk. And when you copy this file, it will take sometimes short loading. After short loading, you will find a file named Riot Client, just like this Riot Games. Actually, it's already existed in my PC. That's why I can't name this file same to same, but it will appear the same file in another disk that you have moved to. But remember, do not copy this file. But remember, do not cut your file because sometimes it may crash or any type of issues occurs for the issue. The file transferring may interrupt it and sometimes the transfer is not completed and that's why your game file can be destroyed. Now, you need to remember the file path, the location of your file, this file, then just copy it that where your file is and then right click on League of Legends, go to properties, and from here you just need to paste your file location here, the new file location here, just like this, and click on apply, then click on OK. After this process, when your starting location set up on your League of Legends, you can play it without any hassle. Now your League of Legends file has transferred successfully in another disk. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.